Gilbert Kitchen and Bath Remodeling. Elevate your home with an amazing renovation. Tired of looking at the same boring kitchen or bathroom? Then it's time for a change. We can help create the perfect design to suit your taste and budget. With our commitment to quality, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service, we're confident you'll love the results. Don't settle for an outdated, uninviting kitchen or bathroom. Let's elevate your home together. No more boring kitchen and bathroom. Looking to upgrade your home's most essential spaces into something beautiful and functional? Give your kitchen and bathroom the transformation they deserve with a bathroom and kitchen renovation in Gilbert. Our expert designers and contractors will help you create a customized plan for your style and budget. From new countertops and cabinets to updated lighting and plumbing fixtures, we'll guide you through the process and ensure your project stays within your timeline and budget. Not only will a remodel improve your home's aesthetics, but it can also increase your property's value. A more spacious and luxurious kitchen and bathroom can make everyday life more enjoyable. Don't settle for the same old bathroom and kitchen. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and get started on your transformation. The impact of kitchen and bathroom designs. Have you ever thought about your kitchen and bath design's impact on your home? You may already know how these spaces impact the functionality and aesthetic of your home. But did you know that a well-designed kitchen and bath have the power to improve your quality of life, too? Imagine a kitchen so elegantly designed that cooking and cleaning become a delight, or a bathroom so comfortably equipped that your morning routine is a breeze. That's the magic of good kitchen and bath design. It can transform all those mundane tasks into moments of joy and pleasure. But it's not just about functionality and aesthetics. A well-designed bath and kitchen can increase the resale value of your home. That means if you're planning to move or sell your property, a stylish, practical space could bring in a higher offer. So, are you ready to take the plunge on improving your kitchen and bath design? How about transforming them into productive and relaxing spaces that add value to your home? The possibilities are endless. Contact us today to get started, and let's make your dream home a reality. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.